Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, we need to open the settings, and to do that you can swipe up on the home screen, the current watch face, to open the menu. Then we can scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, you can tap on it. In settings, we need to find the option called battery. So let's find it, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And here we have the option called battery saver selected. And now if you want to turn on the power saving mode, you need to tap on this switch and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically you have access to time and steps, and that's all. And to turn off the power saving mode, you will need to press and hold on the current screen, on the watch face, until you see the normal watch face. So we need to wake up the screen by tapping on it and then press and hold on it. And you need to press and hold on it until you see the normal watch face. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.